Paula's moving a little too fast.
Yeah, I'm getting tired.
Paula must be tired too.
Hey, Paula, how about we take a little break?
I'm fine. If you guys are tired, we've got enjoying a view next. We ran out of time for that. It's race up a hill next.
But we're at a beach.
You're right, Billy. I guess we're out of beach activities.
Wait, there's more?
Of course! I wrote some more stuff down while we were having fun. For the next activities, we'll go to the park. Then we'll visit Farmer Haywire at the farm.
But Paula, aren't you tired?
No way! I'm totally... fine. My list! Maurice, the list!
Huh? Get it, Pecky!
Oh, thank goodness. Thank you, Pecky.
You're welcome.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry about your list, Paula.
You can write new things on this.
Thanks, Maurice. Okay, we were gonna paint the sunset and... Wait, no, play tag was before that. Oh...
Paula, it's okay. We'll figure out things to do later.
Yeah, we can just relax right now.
No, I need to make plans. Huh? What happened? Oh, no! Where is it? Where's my list?
It's okay, Paula. Here it is.
Oh, thanks, Tim.
You can have it back another day.
Huh? Why?
Listen, Paula. It's fine to have a plan for a fun day, to have a whole list of things to do. But if you only try to follow that plan, you might forget to have fun. Sometimes it's okay to relax. Just enjoy yourself without any plan. It's all you need. The most important thing about being with your friends is that you're with them, even without a plan.
Thanks, Tim. Sorry for rushing you guys with my list.
We know. We're your friends after all.
Wanna sit?
Sure, Billy.
We figured out what to do today, Paula.
That's right, Billy. Time to relax.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us for more fun next time.